So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to count the number of values in particular column or a row. So over here, I have a list of some names in column number F, as you can see over there. And if I want to have some rough idea how many values does it have, is you can see it in a status bar. If you can see it, it is written over here as 27, but I don't want to count it every single time. So how I can do that is by using the formula count A, that is for counting the non blanks values in particular range, right? So you can use this formula by entering equal to in any particular cells where you want that value to be displayed, the number of values, the count of the names of great because I have selected the whole column of F, and beneath F29 there is a blank, and it is counting blank as a unique number also. I can deselect. again this value, and I was going to freeze these values by F4, or I need to freeze it by using the dollar. Let's see if it works. Okay, I need to drag it out. So whatever values which is having two, these are duplicate values, and I was earlier I just used to filter it out over here, like any values which is greater than 2 need to be sorted out, and these are the values which I need to delete it. That's how we used to work in a list. Thanks a lot for if you like this tutorial, give a hands up and write a comment if you have some suggestion or some question. Thank you.